Good evening. We're going to a Christmas party, our first. Yeah, so we are starting off in the evening. Welcome and happy Tuesday. Okay. I made Vietnamese chicken curry, got some bread slices and rice. So I don't know how much I'm gonna film. I might film just the food. That was all I filmed last night. Yeah, welcome back to another day. I hope you're all well. And it's a Wednesday, it's another beautiful day. I got ready and dressed up for the day. I was putting on this perfume, Clinique, my Happy Cocoa and Cashmere. I wanted to try it again and see if I start sneezing, and I did. So that's too bad because I really like the smell. I will just give it to my mom now and see if she likes it. So I'm gonna start getting lunch ready, and it's gonna be another Vietnamese type of dish. I don't know if I told you, but I love Vietnamese food. And where I grew up in Laos, there's a big Vietnamese population and we are heavily influenced by their food. So there's Banh Cuon, Banh Cuon, Banh Xèo, Banh banh mi, you know, all that. So, and pho, don't forget pho. Yeah, we have our own type of pho, but it's influenced. So, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Let's go to my kitchen. Still with this cookbook right here. So the Vietnamese rice rolls with pork and prawns. I'm just gonna do with prawns. I'm just gonna do with pork today. Ground up pork with bean sprouts and this. It's shredded, it's dried and shredded wood ear mushroom. I just need to soak that in warm water and we'll be ready to cook ground pork. And what we need is tapioca flour, rice flour, and water. I have to get spring onions, so I'm gonna slice some spring onions in there. But first and foremost, I have to soak this up. I don't need a lot because once it's hydrated, it does double the volume here. So I find that when I put a little bit of makeup on, I really like it. It makes me feel so good. That makes you happy. Now for the noodle sheets, the rice noodle sheets, I'm gonna have her recipe because it makes a lot. So I'm gonna do 1/2 a cup of rice flour and 1/2 a cup of tapioca flour. 2 cups of water, room temperature, and a little bit of salt. So I'm gonna get that ready. Here's the soaked shredded mushroom, the wood ear mushroom that's been shredded. So it's soaking right now. Okay, it's all mixed up and lump free, and I'm just gonna set this aside and I'm gonna get the filling going. Okay, I have 3 mushrooms that just needed to be used. I'm gonna chop these mushrooms along with the other wood ear mushrooms and a little bit of tofu to add more protein along with the pork and bean sprouts. I'm such a klutz today. I was refilling my avocado oil and somehow it went over. Lid on for 2 minutes. did thin out the batter a little bit with water because I thought it was too thick. Yeah, but baby girl ate it. She loved it. I topped these with the fried onions and ground peanuts. And I'm gonna open this. This is the Vietnamese style pork meatloaf. It's actually really good with, yeah, it's like a deli meat. It's like Vietnamese ham. And it's steamed, so it's already cooked, fully cooked. This is what they also put in the Vietnamese sandwich, the banh mi. So very bouncy. It's also like meatballs, like a really smooth type of meatball. Oh, it's so good. Pour that. So good. I know this seems like a lot of rice noodle sheets, but the stuffing is not as bad. You eat as you go, and if you don't finish it, you can always have it the next day. I mean, it's good the same day, so I'm making this for lunch and dinner. I'm outside, I love it. At this time of the day, it's almost 4 o'clock, and I did turn off my phone after lunch. It's really nice to hear like the children playing outside and the families, you know. I'm not gonna cook it all tonight. So we still have a little leftover of Vietnamese chicken curry last night, and we have some mac and cheese. Yeah, little bits and bits, and we'll just finish off what we have left in the fridge. So I'm gonna be reading some magazines and all that, and yeah, I'm gonna have a really chill night. I just checked the weather and it's 56 degrees Fahrenheit. So before, if it's 69, I would be freezing already. So this is really nice. Of course, hormonal changes and all, so it's really good. It's really nice, but I wouldn't be here out long though. Ooh. There was a lot of food last night, and of course dessert, and this is our plate. We just bought one plate. Yeah, and I did have these 2 chocolate chip cookies with walnuts, and this is like some kind of bundt cake, pumpkin swirl bundt cake type. So yeah, and here are the leftovers: chicken curry, some more steak in the middle, and then this is, I think this is, oh yeah, mac and cheese. There you go, dinner and dessert. We're all set.